What's up my mates of YouTube, my name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about 4 men's fragrances that are great for after you shower or after you work out. Starting things off is one of my personal favourite fragrances, Versace's Blue Jeans. This smells like absolutely nothing in nature, it's very synthetic, but in saying that, it's quite fresh and it's really uplifting as well. It smells a little bit like Coca-Cola or soft drink, or pop or soda if you're American. It's got citrus, it's green, it's aromatic. It's sort of like a hodgepodge of different masculine notes, but it's fresh, it smells fantastic, and it only costs $25 Australian from Chemist Warehouse. Performance is really good as well, it lasts over 8 hours on my skin, and if I have a shower, chances are I'm chucking this on after it. It's also a really nostalgic fragrance for me as well. Next up is, in my top 2 fragrances of all time, Drakkar Noir. This is a product of its time, it smells very 1980s, as it's a bunch of different notes. You know, in the 80s, a lot of these fragrance houses would just chuck in bunches of notes in their fragrances, chuck in a bunch of different ingredients and seeing what stuck to the wall. It smells aromatic, it smells like lavender, oak moss, and it's got a little bit of leather as well. It's an iconic men's fragrance. It's sort of like when you think of a masculine men's fragrance, this is what you're going to think of. It's timeless. It really smells fantastic. Different bottle sizes come in at different prices. I saw I think it was the 100 ml bottle at Chemist Warehouse yesterday for $39. At that price, I would recommend it. Or you can get the 200 ml for $59, but I've also seen the 200 ml bottle at Priceline for $40. So if you want to pay even less, I would wait out for the 200 ml at $40. But either way, it's fantastic value. It smells incredible, performs decently. You know, I'd give it probably a 6.5 to a 7 out of 10 in terms of performance. About 7 hours, 6 to 7 hours. Next up, Calvin Klein's Eternity. This was quite popular in the 1990s, and it's a little different from everything else I'm recommending as well, because it's not so much on the fresh, aquatic, fresh and clean sort of side. This is more in line with it's green, it's herbal, and yeah, it's very unique. I'm actually going to spray this one. Super solid atomizer. It's a very unique men's fragrance. Woody, herbal, green. I really recommend this one. You can get it for $35 from Chemist Warehouse. It performs okay, about 5 hours. The Intense and the Eau de Parfum version are also great, but they're quite strong, and that's why I don't recommend them for after you shower or workout. Just the regular Eau de Toilette of Eternity though, highly recommended for after you shower. It does smell quite unique, so definitely try it on a tester before you actually buy a bottle of it though. But at 35 Australian, you can kind of take a chance. And lastly, we've got Natio's Wild Coast. This smells close to CK1. It's very beachy. I can smell citrus. Yeah, I get citrus, I get driftwood, I get, you know, salty fresh air. It's a unisex fragrance as well. I really enjoy this one. It's not my favorite fragrance of all time, but if you just want to smell fresh and clean and a little bit like the beach after you shower, definitely try this one. Actually, you know, it's funny because it reminds me of that Seinfeld episode of Kramer when he goes to Calvin Klein and he's trying to sell them the fragrance that smells like the beach. This is exactly what I imagine that fragrance to smell like. Anyways, those are just 4 of many fragrances that are appropriate for after you shower or after you work out. If you've ever worn any of them before, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.